welcome to my first video on YouTube for the new year 2022. I hope that you guys had a wonderful holiday and you are enjoying the new year. Today over on my Facebook page and also on YouTube, I uploaded it to YouTube, there is a video of me walking through the brand new catalog and the celebration catalog. So I encourage you to check that out. I will stick a link up here in the corner in case you missed that and you want to check it out. Today I do want to do another quick video sharing with you the January online class. And so as most of you know, I've changed the format of my class and there is a small make and take packet that you can get to go with it. And then there's other projects that you can get to go with it. And so let's go ahead and dive in. And these cards here are the make and take packet. So my January online class is featuring the host paper, which looks like this. I have a big pack of it. It's found in the very back of the annual catalog, and you can only get it when your order reaches $150, and then you can get it as a host reward. Now, for the make and take packet for Blessed to Craft, you are going to get a quarter pack of that, which is really awesome since I know a lot of you don't want a whole 48 sheets of 12 by 12 designer paper. I know that can be a lot, but you love the designs and you want to be able to create some projects with it. So you'll get a pack of it. There's 12 pieces. There's 6 by 6 in here. And then you're going to get a treat box for a bonus project. You'll notice that's not in here in these projects, but it is a bonus project this month. So you'll get this and you can make that. You get a set of the holiday rhinestones, which I think get overlooked a lot because they say holiday on them, and so you think you can only use them for the holidays. But these are great colors. There's Night of Navy, Pool Party, there's a dark green, a red, and a yellow, and they go great with this pack of paper. And then you're going to get a whole roll of the yellow ribbon, and this is a ribbon that goes really well with a lot of the colors, and so that's what I wanted to use. So everybody that is a part of Blessed to Craft, it is $35 a month. You get a set of product every month, and then you get your make and take packets, which is part of the January online class. So our make and takes this month are these 3 cards here. There is a really fun slim line. This is my favorite. I really love it. It is a larger slimline, not a mini slimline. And it opens up like this. Really pretty. Then we have this card here. And you will also get some sequins in your packet with your paper and your rhinestones. It's some sequins that I have on hand that I just feel goes really well with this project. And you can see there's a lot of bling on this card. I really love it. So you'll get that as a make and take project. And then you will also get this one as well. And I really love it. Real simple. And this month for these cards here, what I am using is the What's Cooking stamp set and the dies. And so when you are part of Blessed to Craft, one of the perks of being a part of my monthly make and take packet is that you get to get stamp sets or other items on your order. You don't pay shipping and tax with them because I include them in your club packet, which you're already paying shipping for. So you can get the stamp set and the die and you don't pay shipping or tax on it. So for the make and take projects, I've used these. The other products I will be using for the rest of the projects I'm going to share with you are going to be this one right here. I love this. And then I used a couple dies from a new stamp set. But if you want to complete your make and take projects, you will only need this stamp set. So there's the make and take projects. And then let me show you the other pieces of the January class. So I always like to do 6 to 8 projects to showcase whatever it is we're using. And so our next project for the January online class are these 2 cards. Now what I've done with these is I've taken 2 sheets of 6 by 6 paper and I've made these cards, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a lot like a one-sheet wonder, but instead of a one-sheet wonder, it is a two-sheet wonder. So we have these, and you will notice that for the make and takes, we have these designs here, and then I've designed these other projects. Even though you don't get a kit for these, you could still create them because you would have enough paper, because I have chosen my designs very carefully. So there's these two here. So that is our two-sheet wonder. Our next project that you will see in the online class is this notebook, and this is a really fun design. It's a different design. It comes together up here, and I'm actually going to be making several of these for my Stampin' Up! Friends this month, and so I'm going to show you how to take any notebook that you have on hand and how to cover it seamlessly, and then we're going to do this design. I really loved this. I used the hello on it, and I used that yellow paper in there. And then the great thing about the host paper is it has these really fun designs on this side, but then if you flip it over, they're all black and white designs. So not only does the black and white go really well with these fun designs, if you don't like one of the designs, which I love all of them, you know, sometimes that's rare to get a pack of paper where you like all of the designs, but I really love all of them. But if you didn't, say if you didn't love maybe this one right here, then there is this like very neutral black and white design on the other side, and that makes it really nice. So we have that. That is one of our projects. Our next project is going to be the box. And so if you're part of Blessed to Craft, you will get one of the boxes and you can design it however you want. I just thought it would be fun. You might have some scraps left over and you might want to put that together. These are super cute. There will be one other pretty packaging project that I didn't quite get finished in time for the video to go up, but they will include the Hershey nuggets, and you will see a project with these with this paper. The next card is a fancy fold card, and I really love this. So we have this on the front, and again, it's this really beautiful with the black and white, and then you open it up and it's a fun fold. And this was a lot of fun to create. I used both the What's Cooking stamp set and then also the sentiment one. It says hello friend. And I also used one of the cut hearts that I did. So the very last project for the January online class is going to be the Scrapbook Page. And here is side 1. And then here is side 2. It's a little hard for me to get both sides in the camera at the same time, but you do get with your online class, you get a color PDF, and it has instructions on all of these projects. So the other way, you can either purchase the class if you're not a part of Blessed to Craft and you don't want to get the make and takes or the product. These are $35 to get all of this. And you get that make and take. If you don't want to get the make and take and get the product, you can spend $45 and get the online class, which is all digital. So you get all of the pre-recorded videos for each of these projects plus the PDF, and that's $45. Or you can get this class totally for free when you spend $50 with me this month, in the month of January. So you spend $50, you will not only get your celebration items, because it is the month of January, we kick off celebrations for the year, so you will get your free product from the celebration catalog. You will also get my ordering special, which happens to be these really beautiful faux sea glass embellishments. So I will send that to you. And then you will also get all the digital content for the online class. So all of those ways are listed in the YouTube description below or over on my website. And again, the new catalog and the walkthrough is also up on YouTube already for you guys. I have photos of all of my projects and all of the information on my website as well. And I will be back on Friday with a brand new project for you featuring items out of the brand new catalog. I hope you guys are having a great day. and I look forward to catching up with you on Friday, and I will chat with you guys then. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much for checking out my videos. Here on the screen, you're going to see 2 other videos that you can check out. I would love for you to do all the YouTubey things, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video, and I will catch you in my very next crafty video.